Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to a new video. So today's gonna be a little different. I hope you don't mind me sharing something with you, and that is my experience here on YouTube since a little over 1 year. I started toward the end of 2019, and in those days I started actually with different kind of videos. I was testing myself out. If I could make YouTube videos, I was scripting them and reading them and then doing things on the display. And then I decided to jump into Linux videos because Linux is what I love. And I'm in the Linux world now since a little over 2 years right now, and I really enjoy every aspect of it, and I try to convey this to you guys also in the videos. Now, this is the fun part, and of course, to create Linux videos, it's fun for me, and it takes a lot of time, but it's a lot of fun, and I really enjoy doing that. And then you have the managerial aspect of the channel. That is, on one side, you have to decide which content you want to create and how you want to do it. And on the other side is how you want to take care of this space, because a YouTube channel is a space, for me at least personally, it's a space where you guys come in and see the videos I do. And before starting the channel, I read a lot about social media and YouTube and how wild it can be and how much negativity it's on there. And there's certainly some truth to it, and I think it's more the responsibility of the content creator to take care of this space, and that is also one of the aspects I learned also during this year. So it's very important to me to have a space where you guys can come in and give me feedback and give me critics and give me good constructive feedback so that I can grow, so that the channel can grow, and also exchange with other people in the community. Then of course sometimes I have also sometimes some personal emails or personal comments which are a little bit more like personal attacks, but those belong to being on YouTube and belong to being on social media, so you'll have to just deal with those. So if you want to start out a YouTube channel, whether it's on Linux or something else, have a passion for that and make that passion be your driver, because without that passion it won't last really long. And having said that, let me also say a big thank to all of you guys who subscribe to the channel, who are watching the video, who support me on Patreon or also donating via PayPal. I really appreciate that, and I really appreciate you coming to the community here and posting your comments and posting also your feedbacks. Please do continue giving me feedbacks, only that way I can grow also and I can make the channel grow as well. And I really appreciate you being there. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.